Yeah. So we started Sanford 2000 in 2009, and with the vision to provide quality early childhood education to every child of the country. We started first branch in Delhi NCR, and now we have nearly 90 branches across the country in 5.5 years. Our vision is to reach to the small towns also. We will not stick to the big cities like Delhi and Bangalore or metros, but my vision is very clear to reach to the last child of the country. What else?
Sir, what are the expansion plans? You said that from Delhi you started and then you moved forward to 90 other cities. So now what is next? What are the expansion plans?
See, we started as preschool, and now we have started primary schools also, then K-12. So we are not stick to the preschool education only. Our vision is to first create preschool chain, then to move forward to the primary school, and then to the K-12 school. So we have already started primary school, and in future we are targeting to reach to all the cities of the country with our preschool first, then primary, and then K-12 schools.
So are you also looking forward to open your branches in tier 1 and tier 2 and 3 cities?
Yeah, we already have our branches. We have already started in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. We have branches in small towns like Aligarh, like Meerut and Muzaffarnagar, or in Karnataka, Bijapur and Gulbarga. So we have already started going into tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and that is my vision to reach there.
Sir, the kind of quality education that the government is talking about, we also know that it is deteriorating, especially at the primary level. Primary sections are in shambles right now. So what is that that Sanford can bring, because these are the developing years of children. So what initiative is Sanford is taking to bring quality education so that these developing years of the children will going to benefit in their later life?
Yeah. See, if we talk about quality of pre-primary and primary education, which is the foundation years of the children. So when we talk about the big cities like metros, then the quality is at par. But when we goes to tier 2 and tier 3 cities, there is a big gap in the quality, and we need teachers also are not trained there. So we need first to train the teachers. For that we have our own technology platform also to deliver the quality teacher education to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. We first train the teachers, then we start our preschools. So we are more focusing on the quality of teachers in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, so that we can deliver quality preschool education to the children of small towns also.
Sir, you have participated in World Education Summit. You have been also such a prelate for quite a long time. So how did you find this World Education Summit as a platform for Sanford to participate, and what are the takeaways that you get?
See, I have attended many education summits in last 2 years, but I found this platform is a World Education Summit is a very good platform. I had opportunity to meet people from different countries also, and I interacted with many of the peoples and I shared my vision, and I got information what they are doing in their area, what the people of Dubai are expecting from the early education, what kind of system is there in other countries, what kind of system is there in different states. So this is a very very good interactive platform you people have created. So I must appreciate ALTS for the initiative what you people has created.